How to recover TikTok password. So if you want to recover your TikTok password, then first of all you need to open up your TikTok application, and now you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and now you can simply tap on add existing account and choose your phone number or your email address or your username, or you can also continue with your Facebook, Google, Twitter or Instagram. So I'll be choosing the first option, and now you can enter your phone number here. But if you don't want to enter your phone number, then choose email or username and simply enter your email. And here, if you want to recover your TikTok password, like if you have forgotten and if you want to recover that, then you can simply tap on forgot password, and then you can choose your phone number or your email address. You can choose any one of that option to recover your password. So I'll be choosing email, and now you have to enter your email, and after entering your email address, tap on reset, and now a code has been emailed to your email address which you have just entered. So simply open up your mail, and then you will receive a code to your email. Enter that code here, and after entering that code, here you can reset your password. So you need to enter your new password, and after entering your new password, simply tap on login, and that's it. That's how you change your password, or that's how you recover your password on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.